Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 job? Do you dream of making money online and having the freedom to work from anywhere? Well, get ready to unleash your online profits and master the art of making money. Step 1. Find your passion. The key to making money online is to do something you love. Whether it's writing, photography, or even playing video games, turn your passion into profit. Step 2. Build your online presence. Create a professional website showcasing your skills and offerings. Invest time into optimizing it for search engines to attract potential customers. Step 3. Harness the power of social media. Establish a strong presence on social platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build a loyal following. Step 4. Monetize your skills. Explore different ways to monetize your online presence, such as selling digital products, offering online services, or partnering with brands for sponsored content. The opportunities are endless. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. Alongside your main online venture, consider embracing additional income streams such as affiliate marketing, blogging, or even starting a podcast. Step 6. Embrace the digital nomad lifestyle. By making money online, you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Travel, explore, and live life on your own terms. Remember, making money online requires time, effort, and continuous learning. Stay motivated, network with like-minded individuals, and educate yourself on the latest trends in the digital world. So, are you ready to unleash your online profits? Start today by following these steps and watch your income grow exponentially. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on how to achieve financial freedom online.